Greetings to all. This is Anahat Sredi from Karnal University, and this is my first e-video for the Unix and Linux tab. My register number is UR15CS250. So the topic for the first experiment is basic Unix commands. The the aim of this experiment is to find the basic Unix command output for the given question, and the questions given for me are like this, that is to create a directory with your name. So I'll show you how to create a directory. To create a directory we have to write mkdir space our directory name, and my name is Anahat, so I'll write Anahat. Since the directory already exists, it shows that the directory file exists. For you it will show that the directory is made because you are making it newly. So moving to the second question, navigate to the created directory. Navigation to created directory, that is going to our created directory, is done by cd change directory and directory name Nahat. So this is how we come to our directory. So the third question is create a file employee details with the following input. So I have made a sample file like this. That is okay. We'll make the details means the file using nano like this by using employee details text, name of the detail dot type, and then we will enter the details which we need. So moving to so this experiment I have already done, so it's showing like this. So so moving on to the next part of it, we'll display the number of employees working under software testing. So for that we have to get this command, that is script software testing employee details .txt.wc, which will show the this wc, which will show the number of employees working under software testing. So next is display the file in the sorted order. So for sorted order we write that sort -g employee details.txt, and it gets sorted like this, and this create a new file employee details and back up the same content to the computer. That's done by like copying means you can backup by making another file and copying this the whole data into other, like which is which I have done here, that is copying employee details into another employee details B, that is backup. So then we have renamed the 5 employee detail backups to security. Either we can rename it, or we can make a file named secure.txt, or we can and move the items to it. That is what I've done. That is I have made a file called save and moved all my employee details items into secure.txt. Then how many files are available in dev? This is done using this command, that is ls wc -w, and display the inode number and access permission of employee details. That's done using inode, that is -i and -l. With space, we have to give space between them and have to write this, and so we'll get the inode number and access permission of it. Then we have to we display the current time and display the July month of the 2017. So this is the current date, and this is the July month of the 2017. Okay, so after that display the user names who are logged in into system and save it in the file into log.txt, as done by who, like by and it shows all the logged in peoples which have logged into the PC. So then find how many words are present in the employee details.txt, or we can say secure, which I have made. That's the file where all the things are moved. So number of words I'll be finding of that. So I'll do cat secure.txt and word count which gives me all the number of files, that is 32 files. Number of words, 32 number of words in the file secure. So find the terminal number you are using. That can be find out by the command whoami, and it shows all the terminal numbers. So we have to create an empty file, input the context, and display the context. So this I have done here, like head -3 secure.txt. Since I didn't create a new file, I used the old file, and I read the first 3 lines of it. So that's what it was doing. Create a new file and display the 1 to 3 lines of it. So this was my first experiment. Thank you.